So now, since all the animation information are baked in this mesh, um, let me change its color. So, oops. Okay. Right. So go unselect and go to the graphic editor, track view, top shift. Okay. Now go to the global tracks, block control, and click on the available, and right click and choose the assign controller. Now select the master block controller, and now you are going to add a track. Here click on the object and select expand all, and right click on the master point controller and select all. This will select all the track of your mesh. And because our work cycle is from 0 to 30, so we change the period of our block to 0 to 30 frame. Okay. Now that we have store the work cycle information to block controller, since we store it, therefore we can delete all the key. And if we want the biped have a work cycle, we just click on the master block track and select the block we just created. As you can see, our work cycle are back. You can create any number of the work cycle block if you want, and move the timing of the work cycle. Okay, so delete those. The next step is to create an AI character. So with the mesh selected, go to AI implant, drop down menu, and select the character and select make character. And you just let me set the minimum speed to 5, maximum speed to 5, and hit OK. This will generate a helper, the AI character, and the solver, the rectangle one. Okay, and now go to the okay. Now we are going to do is add animation to this AI solver, AI character. With this mesh AC selected, go to graphic editor and track view, top shoot, and now go back to the block controller we just created and right click on it and select it. Okay, and then go to AI implant drop down menu and animation and hit the create animation. Now check the active and check the speed adjustment and OK. And now you will see our biped are flip, but with work cycle. Okay, so why this happened? Because if you check the real time and loop it will cause a problem. So please uncheck the real time and uncheck the loop. Why we have to do this? Because the AI implant have no simulation button, so it simulates when you play animation. But if you check the real time, it will drop frame and it will interfere the simulation. So you have to uncheck the real time loop. So now let's play it again. As you can see, our let me set the initial speed to 5. Go back again and play. As you can see, our characters are moving, but with the wrong orientation. So we have to fix this by manually rotate the mesh. So turn on the angle snap toggle. Okay, and probably you can move it up. So let's play it again. So you can see our character looks like walking, but the steps are slipping because the speed are faster than this walk cycle animation. So therefore we have to adjust the walk animation of our AI character. So with the mesh AC object selected, go to AI implant drop down menu and animation, edit animation. So because we check the speed adjustment, now we can adjust the preferred speed. I increased it from 1 to 2 and play it again to see if it looks better. Oh no, I think I have to decrease it to about 0.5 and watch again. No. Let me change it to 5. So now I set it to preferred speed to 0.9, and now the animation looks okay. So the fifth step is to set behavior. So I set the with the mesh AC object selected, go to AI implant drop down menu and select the behavior and select wander around behavior. Please set the probability from the default value to 0.02. Okay. Now play animation. As you can see, now our character changes its direction. If we increase the go to behavior. If you increase the probability to 1, the AI character will increase the wandering behavior, but it will be looks very strange for our walking character. As you can see, it looks like he's spinning around. So if you set it to 0.5, it still look very strange. So I will set it to 0.02. Okay. Now it's time for us to duplicate the character. So with the Mesh AC object selected, go to AI implant drop-down menu, and please do not use the default CDS Max copy a clone method to duplicate. Please use the AI implant utility duplicate to duplicate your character. So set the height to 0, and this will scatter your character on the plan. I'll set this to about start from 300 3000 and set the copy number to 5. Okay, this will automatically generate AI character and your biped mesh. Okay, as you can see, I set it to too high. So let's go back. With the 400 and 400 Y step setting, we have 5 duplicates of our biped character, AI, and mesh. Okay, so now as you can see, it looks very strange. One thing is, when you play it, the character mesh scale down, and there is no walking animation for the biped. Okay, but if you hit the go back to first frame and play again, it will looks normal. So every time you find your AI character cross simulation looks strange, you go back to start frame and play the frame again. Okay, so so our final step is to prepare for rendering. Originally, I want to use final render, the CBus final render as my renderer, but I found the final render are incompatible with AI implant, so I have to use the default renderer. So let's create a let's create a simple plan and lightning, create a skyline, and turn on the go to rendering and advanced rendering, turn on the light tracer, and scale load down the ray sample from 250 to 100, and yeah, and then increase the bounce from 0 to 1. Okay, now if we hit the I'm sorry, set the resolution to lower resolution and uncheck the anti-aliasing. And render one single frame. So now, as you can see, our render result looks normal. And I have to emphasize that AI implant is very unstable and buggy when rendering, although it is very powerful for crowd simulation. So select the AI solver, 01, and as you can see, there's an option called use cache. So if you check the use cache, and let's go to our scene folder. Here. Okay, if you check this use cache and play the go back. If you check the yeah, as you can see, it goes wild. This character scale up and this character scale down. It looks very strange. If you see this happen, uncheck the use cache and hit the go back to first frame, and then now check use cache and run the animation once. Okay, so now the AI implants are now performing its simulation. And this takes some time. As you can see, go to the folder for your scene. You can see this folder automatically generates. Its name is 0 AI Solver 01 ACC. And click into it. You can see it generates cache file for each frame. So if your animation is 100 frames long, it will generate 100 cache file. Now we'll finish generating our cache file, and if we hit the go back and then the AI implant again looks very strange. This character, it looks very big, and this one looks very small. It's very strange. So if you want to use this cache when rendering, so you check the use cache, and then now play the animation. The AI solver will, the renderer will read the cache file for the AI character for rendering. However, only this one have a walk cycle animation, but all others character looks like they are sliding. And if you go to the cache file folder, you will see it generates a 0000 ACC file, which I think is unnecessary. So I suggest you do not use cache option, because it is not a good idea. It's very stupid when rendering. Okay. And this problem only when you using the advanced lightning or final render. If you turn off the advanced lightning, use the cache is okay. Okay, so now we don't need a cache file, so I delete the cache folder and play the animation. It looks very normal. Okay, but the one thing you know that is because all these characters are sharing one walk cycle, so it looks very synchronized. The walk looks synchronized. So how to desynchronize those characters for their walk cycle? Here's an option. Select any of the mesh AC file, mesh AC object, and go to the character parameters animation. You can adjust each of the AI character start frame. For example, I change this start frame from 0 to 5, and I select this, change it to start frame to from 30, and for this one I change it to 17. For this one I change this to 8. So by doing this, let's play it again. By doing this, all the characters are now the walk cycle are desynchronized. It will looks much natural when rendering. Okay, let's conclude this crowd simulation tutorial, and thank you for watching this video, and bye bye.